Hello, here again. I thought I'd just do a quick video about these sparrows picks. When they arrive, they are sort of they're covered in some sort of film, I guess, from the dipping and creating of the handles, and they are a little bit rough. So what I do is I take some 800 or 1000 grit sandpaper and just remove the corners of them. And then I use this stuff, which is called flits, and this is something I have left over from when I was shooting competitively, and it's basically a metal polish. It is abrasive, so it does remove material, so if you don't want to do that, be careful with it, but other than that, it gives a great result because it polishes the metal and makes it very smooth. And after just a little bit of polishing, you end up with this, which, where are you, little shit? There it is. You end up with a very nice finish, and the picks are ready to use. So, see ya!